Hey guys, my name is BJ Min, the publisher of How Expert, where we publish quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. And today's book of the day is my own personal book, How to Make Money with Ebooks, your step-by-step guide to create and sell your ebook on Kindle, Nook, and iBooks. Okay, this guide is a guide that I wrote that actually hit #1 on Amazon's business category during its first month of launch. Yes, it was for 1 hour, and I do have a screenshot of it. And it was one of the great moments, in my personal life, in my career. Getting my book on top of Amazon's bestseller list. It was an incredible promotion, and I was really blessed to experience that. But more importantly, today I want to talk about my book, How to Make Money with Ebooks. This is from my real life experience being a publisher of How Expert, where I publish now almost over hundreds of guides. Almost 300 ebooks we just crossed recently as an ebook, paperback book, and audiobook, and I have experience going in all niches, all topics from A to Z. Also, I have real life experience of publishing fiction as well. On top of doing nonfiction, I also have a fiction brand called Short Story Press, where I publish hundreds of short story fiction books as well. So whether you're a fiction writer or a nonfiction writer, my book can help you learn about the self-publishing process. I wrote this even when Kindle publishing was coming out, but this pretty much covers all the lessons that you need to know. How to, start with how to do self-publishing from start to finish. More as whether you want to be an author or you want to build your own publishing business, like I have done as well, as a publisher, as an independent publisher. And this topic, these lessons are still relevant to this day. No matter how many years ago I wrote this book, these lessons are still relevant to this day, and it still works. The concept works. It's very detailed. So one thing about this book is that I really, it took me a long time to actually write this book, I'll be honest with you, because I wanted to make it the best book as possible that I can write. But I broke it down into pretty much step-by-step chapters, pretty much like 8 chapters, but really 7 steps, okay, broken down about the publishing process from start to finish. So as you can see, the formula is, I have the entire formula here, ebook formula here, basically. Topic, you need a good topic, you need a good title, you need good content, you need to publish on what I call multiple autopilot platforms. You gotta do marketing, you gotta do multiple books to be a publisher, not just depend on one book. If you really want to make money online with books, you gotta do more books. And lastly, you gotta have an outsourced team. So these are the 7 steps basically, and I want to just read the back book description, just to let you know what my book is about. If you want to know how to make money and sell your ebooks online, then get How to Make Money with Ebooks. And by the way, the lessons that you learn from here is not just about ebooks, it's also about paperback books and so forth, okay? You can learn the concepts. Here's what's inside How to Make Money with Ebooks. Discover how to find hot ebook topics, how to choose the right ebook title to boost ebook popularity and sales. Find out how to create great content, whether you write it yourself or hire someone else to do it for you. Sell your ebook on all the major ebook stores such as Amazon's Kindle store, Barnes & Noble's Nook store, Apple's iBook store, and more. Market your ebook the right way without spending a lot of money. Increase profits and greater impact by scaling up your business. Discover how to outsource your work the right way. How to publish your ebook from an ebook author and publisher's point of view. Get the exact blueprint that has allowed the author to launch 2 ebook publishing companies that has produced hundreds of books online. Instant access to free video lessons to help publish your book online. Recommended for authors, publishers, internet marketers, business owners. Build credibility and expertise in your field by becoming an author. Use your ebook to generate more leads and sales in your business. And a bonus chapter, how to turn your ebook into a physical paperback book and sell it on Amazon as well. If you are interested in finding how to create and sell your ebook on all the ebook stores, then get How to Make Money with Ebooks now. Okay? So a little bio about myself. I here myself in a third-party way. BJ Man is an author, publisher, and internet entrepreneur. He's the publisher of 2 publishing companies that has published over hundreds of books online. He's also the founder of Ebookborn.com, which provides ebook and internet marketing services for authors and business owners. His mission is to impact the world in a positive way by helping people discover and live their life's calling with passion, purpose, and profit. Okay? So this is my step-by-step guide. It's really, I'm not saying it because it's just my own book. Honestly, it took me a whole year to write this book because I want it to be really solid. But what's different about this book is not just a book just slapped up together. I really really thought about it strategically, how to organize teaching publishing in a strategic, formulaic way, because I really broke it down. As you can see right here, this is kind of like a preview. Step 1 is, topic, title, and content. That's the section 1. Section 2, I talk about multiple platforms, marketing, multiple books, having an outsourced team to really scale your business to the next level. And it's very organized. If you really read this book, it is organized. It also has step-by-step tutorials as well. All the lessons here, because always the platforms are always changing. All of the little details, maybe Kindle publishing, the dashboard may change, but the lessons is always, relevant for now and for the future. The lessons, because the lessons is not just about the detailed technical aspects, it's also about how to really build a publishing business. From start to finish. How to really scale it up. How did I go from, starting with 1 book to having hundreds of books? Now recently just surpassed, 300 ebooks. How did I do that? I teach you not just to be an author, but also you can transition into being a publisher, to really build your business at a higher level. So if you're interested in learning about publishing from a real life publisher's perspective, then click the link below the video and check out my book, How to Make Money with eBooks. I have it as an multiple options, as an ebook option, paperback book option, or even audiobook option. And I even have a course about this as well at publishersystem.com, more about video training. I have more of a detailed, online video course training where you can see behind the scenes and actually watch me demonstrate to you, how to do this from start to finish in a very relevant and updated way as well, okay, at publishersystem.com. So thanks for watching the video. Click the links below the video. Check out my self-publishing resources. I appreciate you. Or if you want to write for my publishing brand, How Expert, click the link below the video. Go to howexpert.com/writers to find out and check out the opportunity to write for my publishing brand as well. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.